A few years ago, I had somebody come to me who had got a revolutionary new way of providing a particular kind of specialist medical service. I was blown away by what they were talking about. On my third meeting with the person who I was working with, and it was all going well, he turned up looking extremely grim-faced. So I knew something horrible had gone wrong. What had gone wrong was the person who had invented this brilliant technique, which was the basis of this product, had actually blabbed about it to a party who was putting the whole information slap bang into the public domain. So in effect, what had happened is a situation had been created where it was impossible for that service to be licensed. Ownership had gone. The project closed down. The person who invented it made no money from it. And what was actually worse still from her point of view was the fact that the way of exploiting it commercially had been destroyed meant that nobody got what she'd invented because there was no way of funding distribution of it. It was an absolute tragedy, and it was all avoidable just by carefully protecting that intellectual property. Simple things like having non-disclosure agreements, putting copyright statements on things, saying documents are confidential. Never mind going into other things like registered designs and trademarks and registered this, that or the other. You really have to protect your intellectual property, otherwise you can end up with absolutely nothing.